You know, I wonder what hell sounds like. Surely they got a video out there that sounds of hell. I mean, if it's real.
Greetings to all the members of my global home church and the visitors as well. Hell is very real. Remember several years ago, people claimed to have heard the sounds of hell coming from a drilling operation in Russia. That turned out to be untrue, but I've got the sounds of hell for you right now. Hell is very real. At the great white throne judgment, those who are unsaved and all the backsliders are going to hear the words from Jesus, "Away from me, you workers of iniquity, I never knew you. You'll be cast alive into the lake of fire with a perfect body and mind forever and ever and ever." I want you to hear the sounds of hell for about the next 6 or 7 minutes. And understand, these are just the baseline sounds of hell. Multiply what you hear, the terror, the pain, the suffering, the agony, the anguish, the hurt, the sorrow, times trillions, with a perfect brain, body, and mind. And also multiply it times eternity. So get ready, my friends, to experience the sounds of hell. Share this video with everybody you possibly can. And make sure they're ready before time runs out.
Fuck yeah.
What are you looking at?
Nothing, honey, nothing. Nothing at all. I'm trying to make it look natural.